Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and looking at the updates for Patch Tuesday yesterday. Things in general seems to be quiet. I was looking at the general, comments and problems that people report, and there's nothing really unusual right now with this update. The biggest problem was on Office side. A lot of people thought it was the Windows updates, but it was actually the Office updates for the Outlook problem. Once again, for those that have not applied them yet, 55 security flaws in different Microsoft products. Of them, there are some critical flaws in Windows, so it's important to go and check your updates, and you will see that in your updates you will have a Patch Tuesday update that was released, which is, of course, fixing a lot of security flaws. The rollout, like I say, is working well from what I see in the different blog posts of people kind of complaining, because one thing for sure is that every Patch Tuesday there's always people that have problems. This is something that is impossible to fix. A lot of people say, well, Microsoft could do better. You can't. This is not like Mac. People are saying, well, it seems Mac have less problems. Macs do have problems with updates. It's wrong to think that they don't, but they might have less for a very simple reason, is that they make the hardware and there's, very little different configuration. They make the hardware and the software, so they know each machines, which is very different from Windows, which is running on computers that have billions of different configurations, that have different hardware, different systems, different ways of working, different software people are using. So it's a very, very different thing, which means there are always and will always have a small number of people with problems. Hey, even Mac with their own system and own computers, there's always a subset of users that are having problems with every update. So it's nothing unique. So if you think that Mac has problems and it's much easier for them to do updates, imagine Windows with the billions of configurations, how it's complex to have something that works everywhere perfectly. The background noise, like I say, is very low, so there doesn't seem to be any problems reported. The biggest problems that I see, and this is probably every Patch Tuesday and every time there's an update, the biggest problems with Windows updates is most of the time that I see it related to the fact that the updates don't want to install. Which means that you can actually try to install them manually with the Windows Update catalog if you want. That often works when the Windows Update doesn't. But apart from that, nothing really major, nothing out of the ordinary. Your updates seem to be rolling well. A lot of you are asking me for how much time it takes to update. Well, it depends on your computers. Mine took maybe 5 minutes. Some I see here are reporting that they've installed it. It took 40 minutes, an hour. So it all depends on, your hard drive, the performance of your PC, and that is a different thing from machine to machine. So anywhere from a few minutes for people that have real fast PCs to an hour and a half maybe for some, but it shouldn't be super long either, though. So rollout seems to go well. Hope that everybody's having a good install on their Patch Tuesday updates for May of 2021. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.